All right, so I got this Vitamix on Facebook Marketplace for a good price. They said that it worked fine, but seems like there may be an issue with the variable speed, which I've seen others have on YouTube. So let's go ahead and turn it on with the lowest speed. Sounds okay. You move this thing. You can hear it kind of bounces around in RPMs. Seems like it's just in a lower range. You can hear it. Kind of pulses up and down. All right, it is a 5200. It's from 2010. Let's see what we can do. So some videos online show the replacement of that rheostat knob, but some of the comments said that if you spray some contact cleaner in there, it might just fix the problem, at least temporarily, which I'm willing to take a shot on. So I got this DeoxIT. This is commonly used in the music equipment industry. Very popular for like cleaning contacts on amplifiers and that kind of stuff. And people swear by it. So I got some of this at Guitar Center. It's only about 12 bucks. We'll go ahead and take this Vitamix apart. And apparently there are some small holes in the bottom of that rheostat. And we'll try spraying some of this in there, moving it around a bit, and see what we can get. All right, let's go ahead and take this thing apart. So it's unplugged. First we'll take this rubber cover off. And there are 4 Phillips head screws. Undo those. All right, and it looks like you just kind of pull the case apart from the bottom. Let's see how this works. Lost our screws there. All right, there is our potentiometer. And I think I'm just gonna blow some of that DeoxIT up in those little holes. All right, let's spin this around some. Work that product in. All right, let's go ahead and put it back together. Let's give it a shot. I think we're good. That's awesome. All right, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks.